This E sign represents three important ideas that shape the spirit of this movement: empowerment, embracing change, and encouraging conversations. We're all going through different versions of the disease, but just know that you are not alone, okay? Dr. Ma Lee is a consultant and endometriosis specialist who has managed thousands of complex cases in Singapore and internationally. Her work continues to advance understanding and treatment for patients living with this condition. And now we will move on to the Voices from the Community segment. So in this segment, we will hear reflections from individuals whose lives have been shaped by endometriosis. Their experiences remind us that this condition not only impacts patients, but their caregivers, partners, and families. Endometriosis also does not discriminate. Okay? It affects people across different backgrounds, professions, cultures, and families. I just want to say that Namira is that one person. We talked about like how one person can make a difference, and this woman in 2012 started E for Endometriosis, and look what she has built it up to. Many in Singapore may remember his time here when he helped establish the robotic surgery and complex endometriosis program at Singapore General Hospital. Beyond titles and credentials, many patients remember him for something even more important: being one of the first doctors who truly listened when their pain had long been misunderstood or dismissed. And in many ways, he was also someone who encouraged the very beginnings of this movement, supporting the idea that awareness and patient voices matter. Today, we are grateful to welcome him back to Singapore to share his reflections with our community.
I am Peter Barton-Smith. I am an endometriosis specialist and an endometriosis advocate, and I stand with you.
We are honoured to welcome Dr. Annabelle Chow, Principal Clinical Psychologist at Annabelle Psychology. Today, she will be speaking on two sides of the same pain: navigating grief as a patient and caregiver in endometriosis. Sometimes emotions cannot always be expressed fully through words. Art offers another pathway for reflection, healing, and self-care. To guide us through this experience, we are honoured to welcome Ms. Mira Yoon, art psychotherapist from Annabelle Psychology. We are deeply honoured to have Member of Parliament Dr. Wan Rizal joining us this afternoon. Dr. Wan Rizal is a behavioural scientist and Member of Parliament who has been actively involved in initiatives that strengthen community well-being, mental health awareness and social resilience. His presence today reflects the importance of community allyship in supporting those living with endometriosis.
And one of the questions I asked earlier was, how strong is the support system for this E-group? And I'm happy to hear that's over 2,000. We can always be stronger together.